Tanin Auto Electronix here with another custom GM gauge cluster. This is for a 2005 Cadillac Escalade, but however we can make this work in any GM truck. So it has the Escalade style chrome lens, and then it has the transmission temperature gauge. It has our custom chrome ring needles. So the base has a chrome ring around it, and then it also has our white cube LED lighting. Let me get some more light in here. You can kind of see those needles, the chrome around the base. It's just a newer look, a little bit more modern, and yeah, that's about it. Again, you know, we can do the mileage programming on these, the hour meter, the VIN programming to make sure all the software in the cluster is up to date with your vehicle, and then also add that transmission temperature gauge like we mentioned in previous videos. So good look at another custom cluster we did, and if you have any questions, just give us a call.